Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys, and this is happening. It's going down. A lot of people expected on yesterday, after having a successful day in the market, today was going to be bloody and very ugly. I, on the other hand, didn't expect that at all, guys. I told you guys we would see a continuation, and the market was about to have a crazy spike. Even if it doesn't sustain itself, meaning if it don't continue to just push higher and higher, exactly how we seen all that red, because those days coming too, or you're going to see just green, squeezing those shorts. But like I say, since we just now get into the stages of trying to go over and change the direction of the overall market, like I say, it's not just about to go from bearish straight to bullish just like that in an instance. We're going to have to gradually get into a bullish market. And what I mean exactly by that is, a lot of people expect for the market to run up like it is, but to go all the way back down to the lowest levels that we experienced this year, and possibly even go lower than the lowest points that we came down to. So guys, I, on the other hand, do not believe that. I believe the market will be choppy, it will be volatile, it will have crazy spikes up just to pull right back. But the key to it pulling back isn't going to give back all those gains. It isn't. If you didn't get yesterday's price, last week's price, a month ago prices, you will not see those prices again, guys. You will see cheaper prices than what you're seeing right now because of the choppiness and volatility, and you'll get a few dollars off, but you will not get 10, 20, $30 off a share price like we've been seeing as these prices continue to escalate, because this thing is going to run up big, and when it give back and pull back, it's only going to give back about 40% after running up 100%. Give back 40%, 50%, might give back half, but it's not going to give back all and then go back even lower, guys. I believe it's going to continue to create higher lows as we see a reversal starts to happen in this market. The U.S. stock market continues to rise, setting the major indexes on track to end a weeks-long losing streak. S&P 500 extended gains to rise nearly 2% intraday. The blue chip index headed for a 4% weekly advance as of Thursday's close. Also, guys, the S&P 500 have fallen for the 7 consecutive weeks prior in its longest losing streak since 2000. The Dow Jones average rose by more than 1%, and the NASDAQ added more than 2%, guys. So the markets is doing well, guys. A lot of people is looking dumbfounded, because I know a lot of people, didn't pull the trigger like they would have loved it to and wanted to, and in spite of fear. And fear of the market that is going to come back down. And like I said, guys, even if it does, I'm taking 100% of taking full-fledged of all the opportunity that's coming my way with all these great prices in the market. And like we say, guys, why I say this is crazy is because every single stock we talked about in the past 7-8 days has been proving itself and has been making me money. If it's been making me money, I know some of you guys should have been making money as well, unless you one of the people I talked about in the last video. Like I say, even when the market is doing good in the green, that don't mean everybody that's long is making money, because some of these people is not well educated and not setting themselves up for the best possible outcome. They just buying. They not using no type of strategy, not looking for no certain key levels to buy at. They just buying because they hear buy. So what I mean by that is, guys, people will buy whenever they see green, and and don't know how long to hold it, don't know when to get out. So they'll be up for a second, but that same position to quickly turn into red, because as the market start to pull back, you don't know it's just a pull back to shake the tree and get weak hands out, and the market makers get no stop losses out. You think it's a reversal to turn the market back red. That's where you sell at and lose a lot of your money, and then try to get right back in and rinse and repeat the same thing, guys. So you already know, I'm just putting you guys on game right here. We alerted this in the VIP, guys, on the dip buy. We seen Shopify run up crazy, run up like 380, 375, and then it dropped $25 on the share in a matter of minutes. I got in on the dip. I alerted everyone in just a matter of minutes. We already up $375, 22% on that play, guys. So like I say, I believe that has legs, but it's very, very dangerous. That's one of the most volatile, choppy large cap companies that I've been involved in that move like a penny stock. So be careful with that. The next bang on the list, we just alerted this. Well, we've been alerted this since it was down in the 12s, but we have to refresh you guys' memories, and people act like they don't remember when you alerted it in the lower ranges, and they have deja vu. But as soon as the stock start running up, they like, oh, when did you alert that? I didn't see that. Whole time being talking about it. Come on now. Don't play. I hate people try to play you like you crazy. But anyways, we've been alerted this at the 12s. It's in the 15s now, which is still a good price. You still, still easy price to get in. We up $1,600, 44%. Another banger. Every one we talked about is up. Bye-bye. It's in the red, but we still up. What? $400, 31%. Just like that. Upstart. We alerted that win, guys. Win. $29, $30. What is that? 50. You get what I'm saying? Even though, let's be clear, I got out at 40. I told you guys I was going to rinse and repeat it because it has too much potential. I got back in at 39, rolled it back up to 48. Let's do it. So let's go ahead and check out the next one. Oh, we had a lot of hate on this one. Carvana, what we is. We up on that one, 360, 17%. That has a lot of legs, a lot of potential. What's the next one? Because we can keep going. All these bangers that I've been calling out. I don't know where y'all been. I don't know if you sleep or what. But here we go. Coinbase. That's another one. Been alerted it. Been talking about it. We had people bad mouthing it. 75. It's at 75. Up 400. Up 18%. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, the moves I'm making. Like I say, never just go every time I sell stock, talk about a stock, never just think that means buy because Hayes is buying. Because Hayes is going to be right, Hayes is going to be wrong. But I'm my own CEO, so I have to be the operator and the decider of when I cut these losses, when I, want to let my profits ride and let winners ride, and when I want to cut my losses quickly. You got to be the decider of that as well with what you got going on, guys, because the market isn't made for the weak. It isn't made for the weak at all, guys. You got to have a strategy. You got to move smart and meticulously. You got to come up with a system. You got to know where you're getting in and getting out every asset and security that you buy. You got to have that plan, guys. So you already know. I already know. That's all I got for this video. I love you guys. Just want to give you guys an update on that. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. We taking off over there as well. And you already know, man. I love y'all. Getting that VIP if you want to do that too. And we